I'm Senna Sobel, and make sure you're watching Eddie Vision TV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch this page. Wicked.
Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, the Nation League is upon us. Jamaica Reggae Boyz will be playing 2 matches at home against Honduras and Haiti, September 8 and 12 respectively. And there's a small giveaway, but before I get into the giveaway, I'm going to give you guys my 22-man squad for the Nation League. Usually I don't try to predict an entire 22-man squad. I usually go for the 11, but this time is different. There's a giveaway for this, so let me get into the 22-man squad. Alright, the goalkeepers for me: Andre Blake, Waite, and Connor Boyce Clark. Amal Knight is also knocking on the door. He could be in for Connor Boyce Clark, but I think Coach Argumso wants to continue to give Boyce Clark, experience and caps. So Blake, Waite, Connor Boyce Clark, the 3 goalkeepers. The defenders, starting with the right back, with Javin Brown and Dexter Lembakisa. Centre backs, Damon Lowe, Ethan Pinnock, Bernard and Adrian Mariappa. Left backs, Amari Bell and Greg Lee. Greg Lee was missing in the Gold Cup. I think he might make his return. Taxi apparently has retired from football, no longer with Minnesota in the MLS. I don't know what's going on there, but that's the defense. In the middle of the park, the center midfielders, defensive midfielders, and 2 attacking, so to speak. I'm going with the double pivot, Latte Badier and Kevin Lambert. Kevin getting a move to the MLS, a good showing in the Gold Cup. Those 2 should hold it down in the middle of the park. But I'm also going with the guile and flair of Demario Phillips, Mount Pleasant champion of the JPL, and I think he deserves a spot in this team. We need a little bit of difference in the middle of the park. Daniel Johnson as well didn't get a lot of game time in American Gold Cup, a lot of substitute appearances. And I think him and Demario Phillips add something different to the midfield, add some form of creativity and movement. The wingers, I'm going with Liam Bailey, Demarai Gray, Cephas. Yes, Cephas, doing well in the Turkish league, made his move from Macedonia. Looks impressive, and I think now is the time for him to get his Jamaican debut. And the 4th winger, not playing in the football, but we know that 4 for a kick like Whisper, Lujan Whisper Richards. He's in the squad, talent and potential alone and excitement. I think he'll definitely hold on his spot in the squad. And the 3 strikers, I'm playing Bobby Reid as one as well. So Bobby Reid, Bobby D. Cordova Reid, Shamar Bowser Nicholson, not having the best at times in Russia, but last chance for him now to impress. Hopefully win some suitors and be able to switch clubs. And last but not least, the man who is on fire, was previously leading the Premier League when his team won against Brighton away. 2 goals, couple of assists so far, Mikel Antonio. So that's my 22-man squad for the Nation League. Games against Honduras and Haiti at the office on September 8 and 12. To recap, Blake, Waite, Boyce Clark, Javane Brown, Damon Lowe, Ethan Pinnock, Amari Bell, Dexter Lambikisa, Bernard, Maps, Greg Lay, Daniel Johnson, Lottie Bodier, Kevin Lambert, Demario Phillips, Leon Chippy Bailey, Dujan Whisper Richards, Demarai Gray, Cephas Antonio, Bowser Nicholson, and Bobby D. Cardova Reed. Now the JFF is giving away 2 grandstand tickets. So whether you want to go to the Honduras game or the Haiti game at the National Stadium. Okay, this is how you win. Predict as close as possible the 22-member squad that Coach Argrimson will announce Friday for the upcoming Concacaf Nations League games. The first 5 persons to guess as close as possible most of the 22 names selected will win 2 grandstand tickets to the game of your choice. Put your 22 player predictions in the comment section below under this video and also on Instagram under the JFF post. The JFF handle is JFF_football. Now the deadline is Friday, September 1st at 10 a.m. So again, go to the JFF Instagram page and drop your 22 player predictions. If you want to use my 22 players, that's fine. I won't be entering, so you can use a couple of my players if you want to add to your selection. And go over there to the JFF page, drop those names, subscribe to the page, like it, follow it, do all those good stuff. And a disclaimer, you cannot enter if you or a family member or a friend works at the Jamaica Football Federation. So people, that's your chance to win 2 grandstand tickets, either to see Honduras or Haiti at the National Stadium. Now is the time to, get the excitement level up. Let's start, believing. Let's start supporting. The Reggae Boyz are back again at the National Stadium. It's an opportunity for us to see Demarai Gray, see Lottie Bodier, see Whisper, see Mikel Antonio, you know what I mean? Ethan Pinnocks, Bernards, this is the time to see our top players. So come out and support the boys. Even if you don't win the tickets, you can still come out, buy your tickets and support the Reggae Boyz. Also, the girls are in action against Canada September 22. So we want the same support for them. History makers back in Jamaica, we should let them feel extremely special. So build up to the Nation League. This is the first video for that. We'll be going in on the Nation League and then the Olympic qualifiers with the Reggae Girls. This is Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.